As you enter the trailer, you can see the dogs area where we'll keep leashes and collars and their water. I'm not sure what we're going to do with the basket, but we'll figure it out. You come through and you get to the kitchen, and I painted all the countertops this white color because the crappy countertops that they put down there were peeling up. So I've sanded and painted and sanded and painted, and this is what we've come up with. I added this pop-up countertop, which makes a great side table. Put in curtains and a little art. And there is where we start to look at the rest of the space. The ottoman makes a great sitting area, and it also stores all of our appliances. You come through and you can see into the bedroom, and here is the lounge area with the countertop. As you can see, I put in a new stool that I covered today, and when I sit there I can work on my laptop just perfectly. There's lots of extra storage that we didn't have before, and the drapes go all the way across so that it ends up being insulated. The window is insulated and it comes across, and our little light is there. I also added, a while back, I added this rolling drawers for my mom's clothes when she was with us, and I screwed a top onto it, so now it makes a perfect end table when the trailer is on shore power. So there's the whole inside of the trailer. We'll kind of come around this way so you can see the artwork that I put up. That is just calendar photos and some more storage baskets and the kitchen. And there you go. For a little bit of time and a lot of effort, there we now have a new trailer.